There is a gap between architecture experience outside and the profession and education. And through this program, we are trying to find the way in between. We want students who are ready to make changes and ask better questions to improve how we are practicing architecture.
The first year of the MArch is situated in practice, but we intensify learning and teaching engagements around 3 week-long short courses back at the campus, which enables students to have a critical dialogue in the practices that they're based in and really challenges them to consider what they're seeing and doing in practice.
Students come back after the first year in practice to a full year of education, from research-led approaches in dissertation to more design-focused approaches. So it's a balance between education, architectural exploration, and practice as well.
The course aims to empower you to think critically about your position and future within the profession.
This program brings the students a unique experience of learning, mainly with the idea of how their type of creativity can be the main driver for change for both the world out there, but mainly for the architectural practice future.